Boys and girls. So now we are going to be opening the birthday gifts from Mommy and Daddy and Logan. Are you ready? Okay. All right. Happy birthday, honey. We love you. All right. Let's see what you got.
I got the Wow, I got another scorpion car. But it's even a different scorpion car.
Whoa,
Let's
you
look
got
at the name.
Oh, it is Roger Dodger. Let's see. Roger Dodger.
Now let's get the other one. Wow! It comes with 2 racers.
And what is it? Who are they? Let's see. You got HW Safari and Wild Streak.
And we already have these 2.
Ah, very cool.
Now, wait.
So these are Hot Wheels. Okay, let's see what else.
I got another one that was this.
You got another Versus?
Yeah, but this one is Kawan.
Oh, Komori versus Raju. I have no idea how to say this. Rajui? I don't know. Very cool.
That was the other.
Oh, another Versus.
Yeah.
Wow, what is this? You got Bigfoot versus Snakebite.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Let's get the other one now. It's a car when it's only a car.
It's only a car.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a Hot Wheel.
And it's a garbage truck.
It's a recycling garbage truck. It is total disposal.
Yeah.
Oh, very cool.
And look, I have another Iron Man.
You got another one? You already have one?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, did I buy you the wrong car?
No. Now we have 2 Iron Man monster trucks.
Oh. I didn't know. I lost track of what you have and don't have.
And we have Bumblebee.
Bumblebee. Oh. He's a 67 Ford GT40 MQ4.
Yeah.
All right. That's too much.
Whoa.
Whoa, what is that?
We have 90 cars.
9 cars.
Yeah. And there's Josh.
Oh.
Josh is in there.
Wow, Jess is in there. Oh, because Jess is the police car. Oh, very cool.
Look at this one.
What is that? What is that? Let's
It's
see.
a Monster Jam.
It's Monster Jam's shaker.
And look, we have a new one.
Wow, what is this
And we
one?
have this one.
That's
and
Monster
not this
Jam.
one, and not this one. And we have this one.
All right, let me see the name. Wow, this is how y'all.
Yeah. And this is a Dragon Monster Jam. And from Jeep.
Wow.
From Jeep.
It's a Jeep monster truck.
Yeah, his name is Jeep.
Oh my goodness, look at his tires, so cool.
It's
It's a triangle. It's like a tank tire.
Yeah, and the last one.
And that's the last one. And his name is Quad Rod. Ah, very cool.
Yeah, and that's all of them. First, we
Ah.
are going to start with these 2.
Okay, hold on. Let me see the name. We're going to start with HW Safari and Wild Streak.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to do one today, okay? And we'll open some more in another video.
Okay, but that's...
Choose one. But you already have Iron Man, you said.
Yeah.
But you already have Iron Man.
No,
You don't want to
but
open
the
something else? What about the Jeep?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's open the Jeep today. All right, let's open the Jeep because he's so cool. And then we'll do the other ones. We'll make another video another time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's going to a crashing car.
He's come with a crushing car. Wow.
And look at the tires, are triangles.
Those are so cool. Can I show them to our fans?
Yeah.
All right, guys. This is what it looks
But
like.
you just have all the other monster trucks.
Whoa. He's got mud on his windshield. He's pretty cool. And then he goes and He crushes the car. Whoa.
And it's shiny. But you don't have all the other ones.
You don't have all the other ones?
No.
All right, then pick another one. What a
I want to choose these ones.
that one? Okay.
Yeah.
Which one is that one? Oh, the safari and wild thing.
Yeah. And it also can. Wow! And it comes with 2 cars. Comes with 2
Wow.
master trucks.
All right.
Ow, ow.
So here's Wild Safari. I mean, this is HW
No,
Safari.
A bag. Here, mine. A bag.
That's okay. We can put them in a bag.
No, we can't.
No. All right. And then who is this? Wild Safari. Whoa. Oh, he's got something inside.
Yeah.
Oh, he's got a driver. That's pretty cool.
Now let's open the next one. Let's open the other diamond.
No, leave that one for last because you already have one.
Okay. Let's open these ones.
All
But
right.
mine just looks like name on it.
It sounds like your name, but it's not your name.
Now let's open this one up. But let's see what their name was.
Okay, it's Raju. I can't say the name. Fans, if you know his name, yeah, good luck, because I don't know. And then Komori, I think.
Yeah.
Rajuri or Raijui or...
Wait. Thank you. Wait, let me do it.
Right here.
Thank you. Look at the second leaf. I have another Iron Man.
Wow. So maybe that was Logan's Iron Man and I bought it. I gave it to you wrong. I'm sorry. I don't know. I lose track. You guys have too many cars.
But this is my master truck.
All right. Let me see.
And it has me in it.
Oh my goodness. It has you on it. Oh, Kamari. Yeah.
Now let's do the second one.
All right.
Let me see for the second one. Oh, let's open this one because these are cooler.
All right. Now that one.
And Bigfoot. Snake mode. My dad's in the snake mode.
Yes, that is a snake.
And Bigfoot.
Right. Right here, baby. Right here. No, you don't need to take the...
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It was snake mode and Bigfoot.
All right. Let me see.
I really know the names of them.
Yeah, let me see. Whoa. Snake bite. Whoa, he's got...
And let's have the let's have
Whoa.
this one.
Hold on. I'm looking at the snake one. He's got fangs. Whoa.
We have no cars.
Oh my goodness, and Bigfoot. He's opening his gifts in a minute.
No.
All right, let's see.
Yeah, we have this one. And I can't remember the name.
He's Rod Quad.
Yeah, what God. And he's from this race.
Right. How about we'll finish opening it on another video and we'll go eat. We'll go eat now.
So,
No.
and then it's so tiny.
Let me see. Oh, he's an ATV. So cute.
And I'm gonna ride. And I'm gonna open all of them now. I'm gonna open
You
all
want
of
to open all of them now?
Yeah. But now let's open these ones.
Hold on, buddy.
I ripped
You
one.
don't need to.
All of them. And here is that. Meow.
Let me see it. We gotta show it to our fans. All right, so we
Jazz.
have Jazz, the police car.
And we have a dump truck. We have a dump truck. That's Bumblebee.
A dump truck, a bumblebee dump truck.
Yeah.
And look at this cool helicopter. Whoa.
Hey, I want to get this.
Whoa.
But look, this one can't even go out.
Yes.
Wow.
All right. All right. Bumblebee?
Oh yeah, Bumblebee. So she was the hole, and Bumblebee is out.
Let me see. Wow.
Wait, do you have a dump truck Bumblebee right here?
We have a
Oh,
dump truck.
hello, I'm Bumblebee. Oh, hello, I'm not a Bumblebee.
Wow, two Bumblebee. Look, this one comes with a little Hot Wheel and a big monster truck Hot Wheel.
Yeah.
Wow,
Let's
that's too
open it.
cool. It comes with two
And
cars.
And yeah, this one that comes with a car and a monster truck.
Yeah, that is
And
awesome.
this one and this one and this one and this one and this one.
Yeah.
Wait, that is the same fire truck,
Yes, you already have
but
that
not
one.
the same car.
Don't you have the Stegosaurus too?
No.
I thought you did.
So I made a bride the Stegosaurus
Oh,
one.
I thought you had the Stegosaurus one.
So are the... Wow! That's up!
Oh. All right. So this
What's
is.
the... Oh, there was a guy.
What's his name?
I don't know.
You don't remember his name?
There's another one.
And that's the mini version. Let me see.
No! His name is Hot Wheels.
His name is.
Hot Wheels.
You ripped the paper. I don't remember
Hot
his name
Wheels.
anymore.
His name is Hot Wheels.
Hot Wheels.
No, Hot Wheels.
Oh. Roger Dodger. His name is Roger Dodger.
And
Roger Dodger.
this one is... No,
Yeah.
but look.
It's Roger Dodger, the monster cars,
Yeah.
and Roger Dodger, the Hot Wheel car.
Someone said the front door, my.
Mm-hmm. Are we done?
No. Did we open a couple more?
A couple more.
Yeah. But don't open my other Iron Man.
Después. Let's finish this so we can go.
Ah. I think
All right, which one?
this one. Because, look, this one is even cooler.
That is
But look at
cool.
the name.
His name is Y'all.
And we already have this one and this one.
Right.
And we made the Stegosaurus one because we don't have it.
We don't have the Stegosaurus one?
Yeah.
All right, let's show it. Hold on. We have Roger Dodger. We don't have Motosaurus? I thought we did.
Yes, we do.
Hold on. Torque Terror, Haul You All, 5 Alarm we have. Race, and then 5 Alarm. Okay. I thought we did.
Whoa, let's put it on here.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's open it up. Wait, let me do it.
Okay.
Here. So here's the monster truck version. And there's a fire on the back.
Oh, he carries people. See, that's why it's called Haul You All. Because he carries people.
Hey, there's stretching heat.
Yeah.
And here's the caution car.
He has a crushed car. Whoa.
And
Hold
they can even drive.
It can drive, huh? It still works.
Yeah. Hey, who is my buddy? How tight. Now this one. No, this one.
That's Shaker.
Yeah, shaker. That's the one, shaker. Wait, let me do it.
I am. I'm just making the hole.
Here. Here you go. And here's the end of the Monster Jam. There.
Just leave it. Just take the car.
He's stuck. There.
All right, we got Shaker.
And wait, let's go with the Monster Jam opener. Because I know that. Whoa, he's one of the fighting ones.
Yeah.
That's up. It's one of the fighting ones.
He's one of the fighting ones?
Yeah. That's
Oh, because he's got the
wait,
clip.
now we have two of them. Now we have Dragondoid.
Yes.
I have Dragondoid and this guy.
All right.
Then the last one. Let's do with the baby switch. Look at this name.
His name is Total Disposal.
Yeah, Total Disposal. Hey!
That's okay. I'll get it later.
I already have one.
That's pretty
I
cool.
already have one.
We have a big one. Now we have a little one.
Yeah.
Awesome. Earth Day, April 22nd.
Yeah.
That is pretty cool.
Yeah.
All right,
But
guys.
what about these?
Did you have an awesome birthday? Lots of gifts. You went camping for your birthday.
Yeah.
You had friends
But
come
what about
over.
this?
Hey, hey, hey. Happy
Love you.
birthday. Hey, I love you. Happy birthday.
Birthday.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Birthday, guys. And even next video.
All right, bye.
Bye.